In this video I will show you how to sync data across tabs in a browser. So I'll give you a simple example. So I'll just quickly refresh this and I have two tabs open. Okay, and this is a normal HTML CSS JavaScript code. As soon as I click on change theme, the change themes the text changes from theme change to dark. And basically what happens on this click listener button click listener is I am changing this key value storage inside local storage from theme dark, like the value has been changed to dark. If it is dark, then I change it to light, as you can see over here. Okay, so if I change it back to dark, so on this tab it is changed to dark. That's what is the value inside my local storage. If I go to the other tab, it is still showing light. But if I go to the local storage, go to storage, local storage, here you can see it is dark, but this value is not getting updated because to sync values across tabs. Now here I am giving you an example of local storage. That doesn't mean you have to use local storage. In fact, I would try avoiding local storage as much as possible. You can use some other mechanism as well, like session storage or IndexedDB, to do all this kind of stuff. So basically, suppose if I go to my console and if I type local storage, here you can see local storage is part of storage event. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to listen to the storage event. If I uncomment this code, okay, and the event.key is theme because that is the key which I am listening like updating inside my local storage. That's why I've written over here. I'll come back to the code in a bit, but here you can see I'll quickly refresh this both two browsers. Now inside one browser I'll change the theme to light, and if I go to the other browser, here you can see it has been changed to light. If I change the theme in this browser tab, and if I go to this, here you can see it has been changed to dark as well. I not browser to browser, I mean tab to tab. Okay, same browser but different tab. If I change the theme to light in other tab, it is changed to light as well. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to that is the tutorial for this video. So basically what I have done, inside index.html I am loading our script file, and here I have taken one button for changing our theme and one p tag for displaying that particular message of our local storage. And if I go to my TypeScript file, this can be a JavaScript file as well. So we'll come back to this in a bit, but basically first I'm checking as soon as the JavaScript file is loaded, if local storage.get theme is not equal to null, then update the text of our paragraph tag, okay, whatever is present inside the local storage. If it is and on button click listener, I am first getting the value of our local storage. If it is equal to light, then make it dark, otherwise make it light. And here I am setting the item to theme key, and again once that is set, given that local storage is synchronous, I can immediately update the value of our paragraph tag as well. Now to sync the value across tab, you have to add an event listener of storage. Now this event listener can be anything depending on what you are using. So for local storage, it is just storage as the event listener. Now if you are using some other service, you can quickly Google or ask ChatGPT on what is the event listener for whatever service you are using. So given that I am using storage, then we can even filter it out even more, because if you see, we are changing the theme key inside our local storage. So I can just listen for the theme key, and as soon as it changes, I'm just updating our paragraph tags HTML. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Again, you don't have to use local storage, you can use anything, but make sure you update this storage with whatever thing you are using. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.